Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are looking at BMNR stock. As we are seeing over the last couple of days, this stock really declining from the highs that we saw just a couple of days ago on Friday to the lows that we have seen yesterday, down by 18%. And as the markets are beginning to open, the question then becomes, where do we go with this one today? Well, of course it is very difficult to say, but again there are a few things that I'm looking for. I'll be highlighting today the key levels that I am paying attention to on the upside and the downside and why they matter to me. Hopefully this will allow you guys to have some sort of an idea of what I'm looking at, but do remember I am not a financial advisor and this is not financial advice, so do make sure to always do your own research. If you do enjoy though, please do like and subscribe. Anyway, we might as well jump straight in, and really something that I want to pay attention to, especially into the next day or so, the next couple of days, is going to be this trend, right? Now, yesterday we were down by 7%, as I say, over the past couple of days, down significantly more than that. However, considering the rise that we've seen, and this is actually very important, the past month, right, we are still up big. The highs took us up 97%, and even to where we are right now, up 45%. That is certainly not an insurmountable or an insignificant gain, I should say, right? Not a small gain there at all. Definitely something to pay attention to, and definitely something that matters. Now, interestingly, in the pre-market and as the market opens up at the time of filming, we're going to see this one move up by 130, which is actually a good sign. This may begin to prove that the trend is actually indeed slowing, and we might now be finding a bottom. Now, this could be credible for a number of reasons, and I'll explain them all as we go through. But as I said in yesterday's last night update, we really want to hold on to and stay above, especially today, this level here, which I'm going to call roughly 4750. Now, 4750 has held as support many a time before. It's held here as well. We have also seen it hold back here. This is going to be a key level to pay attention to today. We're getting above that potentially, right? If markets do turn green and remain green, if we can stay above that point, then we are looking at a potential of a new support there. And that's significant for a number of reasons. A support at this level would potentially or hopefully allow us to begin to build some momentum. It would begin to indicate, and if we can hold it again and hopefully move up slightly from it, it would, for me at least, begin to indicate that there is now that potential that we are seeing the trend change. And again, this is a level that has held up as a previous support, so it actually does matter quite a bit. So that's one of the most important levels that I'm looking for into the next couple of days, and especially into today, right? This one's going to matter for me a lot today. So I'm definitely paying attention at here. It's very close to where we are right now, and it's going to matter a lot. If we can't hold on to these levels, well, then we've got a few more things to look out for. Obviously, we've got yesterday's low, which would take us down to 44.8. And I said this in yesterday's video, and I do stand by it. If we're not able to relatively quickly find this level of support, I think there's every likelihood that we could see the price just go lower. I really do think this, right? So today is definitely a make or break. Above 47.50, something like that. Very good signs for the end of today. Below that, and I think we're looking to go back to 44, and obviously below that we could be going as low as 40, 30, 36, 35, something like that. Now obviously on the upside, those key levels again in the 47 range. Past that, we're going to be looking at 50, of course, a level that we've had a lot of resistance at here, and here as well. That's going to be one that matters a lot on the upside. That really is the slim channel that I'm looking for here today. I'll be hopefully giving you another update later on, but the moral of the story, guys, is simply this. I'm not here to tell you what to do. I'm not here to tell you necessarily whether we're going up or down, because that would just be guesswork, right? What I'm here to do is highlight the levels both on the upside and the downside that I'm paying attention to, with the intention of hopefully helping you to understand what I'm looking for and then go on to make your own opinions. So really a very tight channel that I want to see us remaining today. Again, a break above that is a very bullish sign. A break below that does continue the bearish trend. So this, to me, is where things arguably begin to come to a head, and we're either going to see one of those things happen. Of course, you could imagine that, but really for me, again, a break below 44, and at the moment my hope is gone. We could be going as low as 30 from there. A break above into the 47, 48s, and now we're looking at potential, right? Trend change, potentially in the works. All will come out in the next couple of hours, so of course I'll keep you updated. Thank you for watching the video. If you enjoyed it, please do make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and I hope I will see you again. Goodbye, guys.